Okay, so here we are. Now I'm going to use my loaf pans. Okay. Now I could do these two. I think I will. I'll do these two. I'm not going to do the third one. So they'll be nice and full. Anyway, just going to spray this. I'm not going to worry about doing flour on the bottom. This is going to come out just fine. It'll release easily.
Just make sure to spray it enough, right?
Well, yeah, you want to be generous with the spray. There's no doubt about that.
Okay.
So, anyway, okay, so now here's that. Let me, I want them to be pretty much even, so I'm going to use one of my my disher scoops. Okay, this is basically an ice cream scoop. And this means that what I can do is basically make sure that they're even. Like this. There we go. That makes more sense. Okay, one here. And one there. One there. And one here. Okay, so now I got less than 2 scoops left, so I'll go ahead and eye it out from there. Okay. There we go. Alright, that looks pretty even. Let me lift them up so I can feel. Oh yeah, close enough. It's good. It's good. Okay, so one last thing I want to do before I put these in the oven. Now I'm gonna bake these at my normal baking temperature, 340, 350 degrees in your home oven. I'm going to set my oven to 290, 295. Not sure how long this is going to bake. Probably, I would say at least 20 minutes, maybe 25. I will turn them halfway through. I will time it and let you know, as usual. But before I put them in the oven, I do want to put some big sugar on top. So, hang on a minute. Oh, there it is. There it is. We got our large grain sugar here. Okay, so now what this is going to do is it's just going to give it a nice little caramelized, crunchy top. This is optional. You don't have to do this. If you wanted to use your regular sugar at home, your regular granulated sugar, you're not going to get the same effect. It's not going to caramelize so well because it's going to be small grain instead of large grain. But you could always, add a little pineapple on top, maybe sprinkle some more chopped nuts on top. That would be fine. All those things are wonderful.
You think turbinado sugar would work? It's kind of like the sugar in the raw. It's like kind of a darker sugar. It's crystals though.
Oh yeah, totally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I figure people might say, "What is that?"
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. That would be a wonderful addition to this. I'm sure it would act exactly the same way that this large sugar works.
Okay.
So, stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay, folks. So it took about a half an hour in the oven?
Yeah, about 25 minutes-ish.
Pretty much, yeah. And I did use the handy-dandy toothpick to check, okay? Okay, we got here, boom, we got just a couple of little crumbs on the tip of the toothpick, okay? So that's done, okay? If it comes out clean, it's definitely done. If it comes out with batter on it, not done. Okay?
Let her go a little longer, right?
Yeah. Okay, so that
one's clean too.
We got crumbs. That's good. If it comes out dry, that means it's overdone.
Okay, so just a little crumbly.
Yeah, just a little crumbly.
Okay.
Okay, so that's perfect. Okay. Now, this one is the second one. This is the first one I pulled off. It was a little thinner.
I see it pulled away from the edge a little bit.
Yeah, well, that's because it's cooled a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, just dropped in my hand. Nice.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
Oh, yeah. See, look, you can see the pieces of pineapple and the carrot and the raisin. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yum, 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 yum. Okay, so
yummy,
now we're
yummy,
just going to
people.
drop that sucker right on the pan like that.
Yep.
All right, you ready to do this?
I sure am.
Okay.
I've been smelling this good scent all night, and I'm ready to dig in.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And I mean, an option here, people, is you could always, put a little, sour cream frosting or something.
Okay, well,
Or cream cheese.
We're not making carrot cake, Dan, okay? You don't need to put icing on everything. Okay? That's why we have a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
This is like, bread, okay, that you would want to put like a spread on.
Okay.
Like if you wanted to put like a cream cheese spread on.
Cream cheese, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you're talking, okay? But you'd want to let it chill and firm up. Okay,
right.
If you try and spread, even warm cream, even whipped cream cheese on here, it's just going to fall apart right now at this point. So, All right. So here we go. Here, you take that piece, and I'll take that piece, and we'll give it a whirl. Yeah, I know. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I like that crunch on the top.
Mm.
Oh yeah, that's happening.
You're right.
Well, see?
You don't need anything.
You don't need it. Now, if you wanted to do a little sugar glaze, that'd be appropriate. But not much. You don't want to do much. But like I said, I think that a little cream cheese spread on. You can even, let this chill and then cut a slice and almost toast it in a
toaster oven.
In a toaster oven, yeah. Oh man, that'd be banging.
Mm.
That pineapple
I got one.
Yeah. That pineapple is really adding a lot of flavor. Yeah. I can barely even taste the coconut. It's more for texture, I think. The carrot gets lost. This is like a very, very healthy, wonderful thing, and you can't even tell. It just tastes like candy.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm. You like that?
Oh, yeah.
I do, too.
Mm.
Oh, yeah. That needs to chill down, be wrapped. It's like making banana bread.
Awesome.
Yeah. All right. Well, folks, hope you've enjoyed our little video here, and I hope you've been entertained and learned something. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe, pass it on, comment, please, all that good stuff.
Anyway, we know it's kind of annoying, but it helps out a small channel like ours, so please.
Come on, everyone that watches videos knows how it is. So, anyway, if you have ideas, things you want to look for, please put it in the comments down below so that we can read about it and, check it out and see what we can do with that.
We got some pretty cool things coming up for 2024, don't we, John?
Yeah. We're coming up into the holidays. Want to do a run on, Thanksgiving-ish type things and then Christmassy type things. And then we'll get into the new year and, we'll start off with a bang or a bomb or whatever's going to happen. Who knows? Anyway, hope you've enjoyed our video. Remember, when you bake with love and passion, doesn't matter what it's going to be, it's always going to be delicious. So keep at it. Happy baking, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Cut.